Hey, well, come here for a minute. What? Fuck you mean what? Come here, Junior. Talk to you about something. You talking to Mitch's sister, right? Yeah, because I be seeing you all around and all that, and, you know, that's cool, man. Girl kind of banging. You hitting that, right?
Come on, man.
Oh, my God. Kid, you supposed to be hitting that. Sweating in that laundry for nickels and dimes is not gonna get you that ass. But look here. You saw that Jonesy motherfucker that just ran out here? That's my clientele. That's real money right there.
Like what?
I just made enough dough to bake biscuits for the projects, nigga. Try a quick 800 in one day. Fuck you shrugging for? Something wrong with your back? Yeah. Huh? This here is 100 a pop. Only niggas with real dough fuck with this.
And that's all yours?
Hell yeah, this is all me.
8 niggas.
All I'm trying to tell you is that with this money, your girl will suck your dick all day.
Okay, man.
No problem.